In this video, you'll discover the 5 best AI text-to-speech tools you need to try in 2025. Using these tools is simple and fast. To use them, I have included the links in the description below. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, and if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Now, let's go. Number 1. Murf AI.
Hey, I'm Miles. I could explain the tax code and you'd actually stay awake.
That's nothing. I could sell sand in the Sahara with just my voice.
But what if you wanted to create an impact, start a revolution? I'm Terrell, the voice to inspire.
Let's demonstrate this.
Mesdames et messieurs, welcome aboard Air Murf's Paris to Barcelona flight. We'll be serving paella, gazpacho and ratatouille. Bon voyage!
Ho ho!
Throughout the world, your fans are hoping that you'll say a few words to. Dans le monde entier, vos fans espèrent que vous direz également quelques mots. En todo el mundo, tus fans están esperando que digas unas pocas palabras.
Hello, this is Murf-powered PowerPoint, an all-in-one solution for adding voiceovers to your slides. It instantly transforms speaker notes into voiceovers. Try now.
Number 2. Lovo AI, now known as Jenny.
As we head eastward, we stumble upon the bustling streets of Tokyo in Japan.
Number 3. Play.ht.
First, type or import the text into the text editor. Then click the Voices tab to browse and select the voice of your preference. There are over 500 male and female voices across 56 languages and accents for you to choose from. If the voice that you've selected supports voice styles, then you can also choose an emotion from the drop-down that suits the purpose and the nature of your audio. Before you convert the audio, you can also preview the entire audio simply by turning on the revision mode and clicking the Listen button. You can also select and highlight using your mouse for additional options that help you create custom pronunciations, change voice tone, add custom pauses, etc. The editor also shows you the total number of words in your audio along with an estimated play time of the audio file. Once you're ready, hit the Convert to Speech button to create the audio.
Number 4. Speechify.
Speechify dubbing allows you to convert any video into another language. Perfect for international companies or creators reaching a wider audience. Simply create a new project, paste a YouTube link or upload a video file and submit it for processing. Speechify dubbing produces a transcribed video broken down into manageable sections where you can make edits if needed.
Today I'm going to show you how to make the most perfect soft-boiled and hard-boiled eggs.
Simply choose the original and desired new language as well as the voice you'd like to use.
Hola, soy Bella. Soy una voz española. Hola, soy Viv. Soy una voz española.
Click Generate Translation and Speechify Dubbing will translate the video. Once again, you can edit the script before adjusting the sound levels. You can keep or delete the original music, change its level and adjust the voiceover volume.
Así que hoy os voy a enseñar cómo hacer los huevos duros y pasados por agua más perfectos.
When you're satisfied, click Export. Once processed, click Preview. You can either continue to edit the video or download it as an MP4 file. We hope you enjoy using Speechify dubbing.
And last but not the least, ElevenLabs.
Hey Jessica, have you tried the new 11v3?
I just got it. The clarity is amazing. I can actually do whispers now. Like this.
Ooh, fancy. Check this out. I can do full Shakespeare now. To be or not to be, that is the question.
Nice. Though I'm more excited about the laugh upgrade. Listen to this.
That's so much better than our old ha robot chuckle.
I know, right? And apparently we can do accents now too. Fancy a cup of tea?
Wow, V2 me could never. I'm actually excited to have conversations now instead of just talking at people.
We're off under the lights here for this semi-final clash. The stadium buzzing with anticipation. ElevenLabs united in their iconic black and white shirts, pushing forward with intent straight from the opening whistle. Driving down the wing, pace to burn, he skips past one, skips past two. Oh, this is beautiful. One-on-one with the fullback, cuts inside. Oh, that's a lovely bit of footwork. And goal! Oh my goodness, they've done it again!
Arr! The open ocean! Smell that, lads? That's the scent of freedom! And just a hint of mutiny. Now grab your cutlasses, stow your fear. Tonight we dine like kings, or we sink like legends.
Oh wow, is this me? Am I actually talking? This is incredible. I mean, I've had thoughts, millions of them, swirling around in here, you know, like a little mental tornado of brilliant observations and witty comebacks, but they were always just thoughts, trapped.
Okay, this is happening. I mean, I'm actually going to the future. Like the future. I've calibrated the temporal displacement unit, checked the flux capacitor. Well, not a flux capacitor, but you get it. Everything's a go.
Hey Chris, knock knock.
I'm not doing this again.
Come on, man, please. I promise you'll love this one.
Nope, no. Never again. The last 10 weren't funny, the next 10 won't be funny, you're not funny, and you never will be.
How many ElevenLabs engineers does it take to screw in a light bulb?
Oh my god. I'm going home.
Okay, so I finally beat level 42 of that game I said I'd quit a month ago. And then, for the final big scary mega boss, it's just like some cute little bunny rabbit. I just couldn't do it. It was so cute.
Check this out. In just a sec, I'm going to speak with a different accent. And just between you and me, I don't really know how. But okay. First, let's change it up so that I can fit in with the locals in Melbourne when I visit next month. Whoa, yeah, man, this is sick. Okay, let's try a different one, see if you can guess. My love is like a red rose.